Hello, everyone. Welcome to the lecture 6 or the last lecture in the pharmacology series. And today we will be discussing about chemotherapy and analgesics. So let's see the topics we'll cover today. So some of the topics include antibacterial, antifungals, antivirals, opioids, and non-steroidal anti-inflammatory agents or NSAIDs. So let's get in. Antibacterials. So antibacterials can be either a gram-positive cocci and gram-negative anaerobic bacilli. So this slide should be similar to what we had discussed in our previous video, where we talked in details about each one of these topics. And so the odontogenic infections, or the infections which causes in the tooth pain, are usually inhabited by gram-positive cocci or a gram-negative anaerobic bacilli. And so, whenever you're prescribed